was having problems with the temperature gauge, would go all the way up to like L. And I thought, man, my car is overheating. But what it was actually the temperature sender. So it should go up to about M with the AC off. Now this is the key. If you have your AC on, the fan's always running, so you're not going to have an accurate. So everything is off, the environmental controls. It should go up between right around M and the fan kick on. So it's at M now. Fan's on. So mine would go all the way up to like L. So what I did was go out and buy an actual Motorcraft sender unit, and that sender unit solved the problem. Just an aftermarket one wasn't getting the job done. So just simply replacing and putting the correct sender on the unit, a Motorcraft part, now I have accurate temperature reading. So let's look at it now. The fan came on, and you can see it's right around the, so with the fan on, you can see the fan just came on and it's bringing the temperature down. So between like R and M is generally where the gauge will be, or sometimes a little bit more on the R, but you get the gist of it. So that's where you want it to be. So just because you're showing high doesn't necessarily mean you have high temperature. It just may be that your sender is sending the wrong input. Your temperature sender is sending the wrong input to the car. So I changed the sensor, and my problems are resolved.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.